Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. And today in SST we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 2, our planet Earth. So in this chapter we will study about our planet Earth on which we are living. So students, as you all know that in the solar system there are the 8 planets and Earth is only the planet on which life is possible. Earth is only the planet having all the natural resources that are very essential for the survival of living beings like wind, air, water, sunlight, and there are another so many natural resources like the forest, plants, minerals. So these are the natural resources which we need to survive on the Earth. So Earth is only the planet in the solar system having the life. After that, Earth's atmosphere. That how is the Earth's atmosphere? So first of all, what is atmosphere? So the layer of air that is present around us, that is the atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is the layer of air that present all around us, and it is a mixture of many gases and gaseous substance like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and so many other gases. So this atmosphere, it gives us a layer in which we can breathe. Without air we cannot breathe, and it is the atmosphere, that is the layer of air that present around us in which we can breathe. After that, the shape of the earth. That what is the shape of the earth? So students, in the ancient time people believed that the earth was flat. लोग सोचते थे एंशियंट टाइम में कि जो हमारा अर्थ सरफेस है ये बिल्कुल फ्लैट है. But Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, he sailed all around the world and he proved that the earth is round in shape, not flat. Yes, the name of the person is Ferdinand Magellan, and he started his journey in 1519, and he started his journey from the space. In 1915, in 1519, he started his journey from the Spain with his 3 ships. In that he carried all the materials that he required, and after 3 years, in the 1522, he reached at the same point from where he started his journey. And in this way he proved that the earth is not flat, it is round in shape. So the students, the earth, it is actually spherical shape. It is the spherical shape. You all have seen the model. What is model? Model is the spherical shape of the, you have seen the globe is the spherical model of the earth. आप सबने देखा है globe. We cannot see the earth. But if we want to study the earth, we can study it by the help of the globe, because globe, it is a small model of the earth. What is the meaning of model? Model is the small replica of something. मॉडल किसी चीज का भी हो सकता है, ऑफ योर हाउस, ऑफ एनी बिल्डिंग, ऑफ योर सोसाइटी, जो स्मॉल स्केल पर किसी चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सो ग्लोब, इट इज द स्मॉल राउंड मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ बाय विच वी कैन स्टडी अबाउट द अर्थ. We can study about the different continents, different oceans, the different countries also you can search on the globe. So the shape of the earth is spherical. Now students, see here I am drawing the picture of the earth for you. So this is the picture of the earth. It is round in shape. The earth is round in shape or spherical in shape. So if we look this picture of the earth, we notice that the earth, it looks like an orange. It is bulging at the center and slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. Slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. and this uppermost tip of the earth is called North Pole. This flattened part, beta, this flattened part of the earth, on the upper side it is known as North Pole, and at the bottom it is South Pole. So it is the lower part of the earth which is known as South Pole. It is the upper part of the earth which is known as North Pole. After that, the surface of the earth. The next point is that the surface of the earth. So students, the surface of the earth is made up of the huge land masses and the water bodies. There are the huge land masses on the earth. If you see the picture of the earth, beta, if you will see the globe or if you will see the picture of the earth, so you can easily find out that the blue color, that most of the earth, it is covered by water, so it appears blue in color. We know that the 70%, around 70% or about 2/3 of the earth's surface is covered with the water. So the earth appears blue. जब हम अर्थ को देखते हैं, किसकी पिक्चर या फिर यूनिवर्स से अर्थ दिखता है, तो वो कैसा दिखता है? ब्लू, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर. एंड द ग्रीन कलर और द ब्राउन कलर, इट रिप्रेजेंट द लैंडमार्क्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब आप अर्थ देखोगे, पिक्चर देखोगे आप अर्थ की, तो उसमें आपको इस तरीके से डिफरेंट शेप्स दिखाई देंगे. These are the different shapes that you will see. So this is the blue color. It is the water body. Water body. And these are the continents, landmarks. These are the landmarks. So these landmarks are known as the continents, and these water bodies are known as oceans. So the earth's surface is made up of the huge land masses and the huge water bodies. So the huge land masses are called the continents. Yes, students, you are not able to see the blackboard. I am writing here, Matthias. The huge land masses. Huge land masses are continents. The huge land masses are continents, and huge water bodies. Huge water bodies are oceans. So there are the 7 continents and 5 oceans. The earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. Yes, students, so now I am going to write the continents and oceans. So first we will discuss about the 7 continents. So the first is Asia. Second is Africa. Third is North America. Fourth is South America. Fifth is Europe. Sixth is Australia. And seventh is Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents we have. Asia, that is the largest continent, and India is the part of the Asia continent. Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. And Australia is the smallest continent. Now the oceans. Now here are the ocean. Pacific Ocean. The first is the Pacific Ocean. Second is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Fourth is Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. And the fifth is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. So these are the oceans. The first is the Pacific Ocean, that is the largest ocean. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, that is given the name after the country India, and the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. So it is the smallest ocean, and the Indian Ocean is named after India. It is the only ocean which is named after a country. Continents are divided into the countries, states, towns, cities. These are the huge landmarks or the huge land masses on the earth, and these are divided into the different countries, after that different states, and the states are divided into the cities, towns and villages. After that, these are the oceans. The oceans, we have 5 oceans, and after that oceans के बाद हमारे पास है the different water bodies like the seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. We have not only these 5 oceans, but except these oceans we have another water bodies also. ये तो है ही हमारे पास, but we have the another water bodies also, like the different seas. After that, the rivers, lakes, ponds, they are inside the countries, inside the cities, towns. So in this way, our earth surface is made up of these continents and these oceans. So only this is the chapter 2, our planet Earth, which tells us about the continents, ocean, that is the earth surface made up of, and that the shape of the earth, and the layer of the atmosphere, the layer of air that is present around the earth, atmosphere, and about our planet Earth, that Earth is the only planet on which the life is possible. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun, so it get the right amount of light and heat from the sun, and it have all the essential natural resources that the living beings required. So that's why life is possible only the planet Earth. Thank you.